equestrian statue of King Carol I. Carol I was the first king of Romania, the leader of the Romanian army in the War of Independence and the creator of modern Romania. The imposing equestrian statue of this king, work of the Croatian sculptor Ivan Mestrovic, was uncovered on 10th of May 1939. It should be noted that he was chosen despite the fact that Oscar Han had won the competition to erect a statue dedicated to Carol I. Installed on an 8-meter-high red granite plinth, it was located on Calea Victoriei, next to the Royal Palace and in front of the Royal Foundations, the foundation of the glorious king. The monument impresses with its harmonious proportions, a clear proof of the artist's mastery. The moment King Mihai signed the Act of Abdication, on the night of December 31, 1947, the communists using a tank took down the statue from the plinth. It was melted down and the statue of Lenin was cast from its bronze. The horse served for the statue of Suvorov in Dragosloveni. Sued by Mestrovic, a refugee in the USA, the communist state paid millions of dollars in damages. The project to create a new statue dedicated to Carol I started in March 2007, after the failure of negotiations with Mestrovic's descendants to buy the copyright to reproduce the original statue. The current equestrian statue, 13 meters high and which cost 10.5 million lei, was made by the sculptor Florin Codre, with the old monument as a model of inspiration, and was inaugurated on December 6, 2010, in the presence of Princess Margareta of Romania and the leadership of the country.